So first let's start with notations for 2x2. Don't need the rest of these. But anyways, let's get started. 2x2 notations are the same thing as 3x3 except a little different. But anyways, we'll start with R. This is R, the right side up. Other than R prime is the right side down. Left, it's a little different. Left is the left side down. And then left prime is left side up. U is the top side over. U prime is the other way. Down prime, this way, down prime. And then down is this way. And last one's back, this way. And back prime is this way. And we're done with 2x2. Next is 3x3, which you'll know, R, L, and it's the same thing for those. But there's a few other ones you need to learn. Like, this is small r. 1, 2 are up, or for all of them. So, like, small u is this way. Yeah. Then this m's. So, m prime is this way. That's m prime. Yeah, m prime is this way. This is m prime, and then normal m is this way. This way, and then there's s. I'm not really sure about s, and that won't be an algorithm, but that's moving this or this. And e is this. I'm not sure like where these ones are, but yeah, it's good to know though. 4x4, same thing. R's, U's, or yeah, the same thing as the 2x2, but there's a few other things. So lowercase r is this. Lowercase r is that. Just this one. And RW is these two layers. Or UW. So like the parity algorithm up there. Small 2r, the top twice. Small 2r, and then the top UW2. And then yeah. Finding out last, 5x5 is basically the same thing as 4x4, I'd say. Or there's the U's, RW, and yeah.